Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Gawas mi bisag tugnaw sa morning central station. Mo kuan pa hulat mi sa among tram 3 kay among tram 17 ambot kay naay demonstration sa unahan. So di mi kalusot. Ini lang sa mi, na mga tram diya sa likod oh. Pero dili na madto sa amo. Thanks for watching. So, hello vlog. Welcome to my guys. We're here in the central station at this moment of time. You know, because our normally tram 17 is not going through because there is a demonstration according to the monitor. So, we are forced to come up and take another tram. So, this is how it looks here. There and there and there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice Saturday. God bless us all. I love you all, sis loves. Keep smiling and be happy even in small things. God is good. Thank you. Love you all.